Hello everyone, this is Naiman Olivier, and today we are going to learn together how we can create a simple poster for an awareness event or community action or a common goal, like for an awareness event. And here we create and we will use Adobe Illustrator, and we start by creating an A4 size working space or a paper. Then here we look at we try to place it on top of it. Then here we are going to copy the image to a place where it will be easy for us to find it. Here we're going to paste it in the local disk D. Then we will, from the Adobe Illustrator, we will try to place it on top of the A4 size working space or file, or you can call it whatever you want, but it is an A4 size paper. And then here we try to place it accordingly to the A4 size. Then here I think we are good to go. Then we'll create a new layer for us to be easy. Then we choose a stroke white and then fill 0. Then we'll try to give our poster a border like a frame. Then choose the stroke size 2 for it to be thicker, and I think this looks cool. Then we choose type, or you can type like hashtag free mindset, and here the fill is in black, and we choose white free mind. Then you choose from the font Poppins, which is really cool and minimalistic, bold size, and the font size 60, and I think this is good enough to be noticed. And we copy and paste the same thing. Then you choose the stroke white, then the fill none. The stroke will be 2, the stroke size with the Freeman thing. Then try to reduce the font size, give it the space of like 230 or 229, and then we reduce the stroke size Freeman, and we try to change the Freeman thing, and try to type something that can attract people, like the hashtag, like free spirit, or like how can no, the true mindset thing. Then we come to the spacing, we give it 0, and I think here they are like uniformly reducing the size. Then we make the M bigger for it to be an hashtag. Copy and paste the same thing, and we will reduce the font size to 24, and I think the stroke size is somewhat bigger. Then let's first change to the typography thing, self battles, and we have the fill white and the stroke thing none, and then we just have to place it at the bottom for the leaders, or someone who is reading this can see the character behind and read the typography thing we've written on the poster, like Freeman, Truman said, self battles, and we are going to yes, to type in the title, like giving our poster a title as a free as bad, because if you are free as a bad, then you'll be free enough, and then we have to give it like 255 as the spacing between the characters of the typography. Try making it at the middle, removing the outline. Then this thing I think is in the middle. Then we have to give it a background for it to be eye-catching. Then giving this shape. Then we have the typography thing on top of the other rectangle, and then we change the characters color to black. Phrase bad, then we just have to give it a small title on below it. Give it the color of white, anxiety, to the medium font thing, and the spacing will be 0, and try to make it like the only thing, anxiety kills, making K capital and A capital. And I think here we can make the characters like the spacing 500, make the character size to 10, then increasing to 1500. I think it can fit, yeah. And a point at the end for it to be like a full stop, like an actual statement that you can change, right? And that's anxiety kills, free as a bad, free mind, true mindset, self battles. And I think our simple poster is somehow done. Let's try some shapes, like making the cycles. We can ellipse, making the width and height the same size for it to be a perfect ellipse, 30. And then trying to press shift and resize it, and let us try to put it at the bottom, bring it to front, arrange, bring to front, then change the opacity of the ellipse to 50, for example, and the Truman setting is readable. Press the shift to resize the ellipse, then copy and paste it. We can change the color to yellow, and then we try to combine them. Control V and change it to orange, and so I'm trying to connect to the internet, so and try to combine them 3, then press shift to select them all. I think it will be easy if we zoom in for us to truly like select them 3, group them to be easy to move them, but at the same time. And I think the bottom place is not good enough for them, so what if we put them at the top, and yeah, in the middle at the top. Yeah, and I think our thing is done, and we are going to export to a PNG. Rename the file to poster, then press enter. Okay. And it is not done yet. The progress. Let's wait. Yeah, I think we are done now. So let's check our poster, how to look like. And I think we are done with the simple poster here.